Chandrasekhar Azad was a great freedom fighter of India.
Charles Babbage entitled as the father of the computer.
Internet is the medium by which computer can connect with each other. I am class 2. Aryabhat was born in 476 Iswi.
Sound is essential to our daily life, but noise is not.
The sun, the moon and the star. Class 2. Freedom fighter Chandrasekhar Azad to life. Two-word speech. Chandrasekhar Azad. Chandrasekhar Azad was a great freedom fighter of India. He was born on 23 July 1906 at Bhavra village in Madhya Pradesh. He was popularly known as Azad. His father name was Pandit Sitaram Tiwari. His mother name was Jagrani Devi. He was determined to free India from the slavery of the British government. He funded his freedom movement through ravage of the British government property. He was arrested by the British government when he was 15 years old. He killed himself with his last bullet on 27 February 1931. His bravery will always be remembered and printed in the history of Indian freedom struggle. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
थैंक यू।
दोनों सब चालू है।
Charles Babbage entitled as the father of the computer in London. Charles Babbage was the son of beginning Babbage and Beatty Plumley Tape. The concept of the first digital programmer computer was given by Charles Babbage. He was a great mathematician, inventor and mechanical engineer by profession. He contributed his idea in different fields of science and mathematics. The first model calculating engine was developed in 1822 by Charles Babbage. Babbage is also credited with the inventor of the electrical engine. It was 18 October 1871 Wednesday when Babbage took his last breath in London. On half of his brain is displayed in the Science Museum. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Name Love Kumar, class 2. The importance of the internet to better speech. The importance of the internet to better speech. The internet is the medium by which computer can connect with each other. This technology has connected all the computers worldwide. It has changed our way of communication. It has changed completely the way of entertainment. Nowadays, the internet has become a very important part of our life. It has affected even our personal or various social networking sites have connected us with our friend and relative. We can share picture and messages instantly. We can chat with them from any part of the world. The internet has also improved business. Advertising about product has become a very important part of our life. It has affected important part of our life. Very easy online shopping, online payment, online booking, online banking are a result of information. Technology only sending mail to any part of the world has become a matter of second. Web conferencing, video chatting online. Similar cities have given new heart to business. Second speech to India great King Ashoka. Ashoka was a great king of the Maurya Empire. He fought many battles after the battles of Kalinga. In which thousands of people lost their lives. He fled very sad and gave up fighting and violence forever. He did a lot for the welfare of people. The second pillar at Sarnath is very famous. Our national emblem has been adopted from the same pillar.
धन्यवाद।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद बच्चे।
I am Satyam Kumar, class 2. A speech to great Indian scientist Aryabhat. Aryabhat was born in 476 Iswi. He was one of the greatest scientists in India. He said that the earth is a sphere and it rotates on its axis. He also described the cause of the solar and lunar eclipse. He wrote Aryabhat
India first satellite was named after him. Second speech to river pollution. In India, rivers are said to be the part of our culture and civilization. They have given birth to human race. They have brought it up, so they have been worshipped for egg. But very unfortunately, I have to say that our river have to are dying due to increasing pollution day by day. जय हिंद जय भारत.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
To noise pollution toward a speech. Noise sound is essential to our daily life, but noise is not noise. Is generally used as an unwanted sound or sound which products unpleasant effect and discomfort on the ear. Cause of noise pollution: vehicle, factories, firecracker, loudspeaker, music, and wedding in parties products a lot of noise. Noise effect and hearing abilities. Intense noise pollution may make a person temporarily or permanently deaf. High sound can cause high blood pressure and heart disease. Second speech to Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on 2 October 1904 in Mughal Sahib district of Uttar Pradesh. His father was a school teacher. Shastri lost his father when he was very young. His mother took care of him and his two sisters. Shastri did his schooling from Mughal Sahib and Varanasi. He graduated from Kashi Vidyapith. The Pith awarded him the title of Shastri. Shastri was a very simple man. He loved his country a lot. He wanted to serve the country. He joined the freedom struggle. In 1921, he participated in the non-cooperation movement and the Quit India movement. He went to jail several times. Shastri was very active in politics when India became independent. He served to many important posts. He also served as the Minister of Railway and Transport in the Central Cabinet. An unfortunate railway accident made him feel guilty and he resigned. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
थैंक यू. बहुत बहुत
UK class 2, my class 2, I am class 2 is a drag addiction to birth speech. Drag addiction has become a major problem for our society. It has affected almost people of all age group. He variety of a drag addiction of all age group. जय हिंद जय भारत.
बहुत बहुत
KG, two-word speech. The sun, the moon, and the star. The sun, the moon, and the star are the number of the universe. The sun is a big ball of gases. It gives us heat and light. The sun rises in the east, and when it rises, the day wings it east in the west, and when it is night wings the moon. We see the moon in the sky at night. It is much smaller than the sun. It has no light of its own. It reflects the light the sun. It does not look every have no light of it reflect the light. It does not look very it have its shape keep on changing. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
थैंक यू.
My name is Shivani Pari, class 2, two-word speech. Health is wealth. The problem health is wealth is absolutely true. Our health come first. It is the real wealth. Come first. It is more popularly people event today. Now we live to the fore. It is the most precise while for. It is the most people event today. Know him why. It is the for popularly decorated. जय हिंद जय भारत.
बहुत